Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials, an HB and a 0, 5mm pencil, eraser, and medium-weight paper because light lines let you change shape without smudging. Begin by drawing a circle for Elsa's skull, then draw a vertical center line to set facial symmetry. Add a horizontal eye line halfway down the circle and a jawline that tapers softly. This defines her face angle. Once done, sketch a neck and shoulder slope to anchor the pose, making sure proportion. You next refine facial features. Place almond eyes along the eye line with one eye width between them, and draw soft lids and lashes to get Elsa's expressive look. Add a small nose breakpoint and a gently curved mouth. You're mapping planes for later shading. Now block in the hair mass with a strong side part and a large front swoop that frames the face. Don't draw every strand. Once done, indicate a loose, thick braid over the shoulder so the hairstyle reads clearly. You finish by committing to confident line work. Darken the final contours and refine braid segments, then erase construction lines so shapes remain clean. Apply flat base colors, pale skin, icy blue dress, platinum hair, then add cool shadows and bright highlights to suggest volume. Hair benefit from thin white glints. Once done, check overall balance. If something seems off, flip the page or use a light overlay grid to spot asymmetry. That quick check fixes proportion errors before final details are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.